Hello all, I am Amol Chaudhary from the Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this video, I will be discussing sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is one of the type of ownership. When the ownership and management of business are in control of an individual, then the form of business is termed as the sole proprietorship. It is called a single ownership as well when an individual exercises and enjoy the rights in his or her own interest. A business owned by one man is called single ownership or sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship does well for those enterprises which require little capital and lend themselves readily to control by one person. For sole proprietorship, very few legal requirements are required for setting up that particular proprietorship or a business. Sole proprietorship is the type of ownership in which owner gets all benefits and also owner is solely responsible for all the kinds of losses, which leads to the unlimited liability. Sole proprietorship is easiest and is least expensive to set up. Examples of enterprise run by single owner are printing press, auto repair shop, woodworking plant, a small fabrication shop, etc. That is retail trades, service industries and small engineering firms. Characteristics of sole proprietorship includes it's one of the oldest form of business organization. The business enterprise in sole proprietorship is owned by one single individual, in which both profit and risk will be belonging to him or her. Owner is the manager. Owner is the only source of the capital. The proprietor and the business enterprise are same in the eyes of the law. Liability of sole proprietorship is unlimited. Sole proprietorship business is free from many legal formalities. Proprietorship makes all decisions pertaining to the business, whereas sole proprietorship is limited in scope of operations. The advantages of sole proprietorship includes sole proprietorship is easy to establish as it does not require the complete legal formality. Sole proprietorship is the simplest form of an organization. In sole proprietorship, the expenses in starting the business are minimum. And owner is free to make all the kinds of decisions. Sole proprietorship in this type of ownership is simple, it's easy to operate and extremely flexible. And thus owner enjoys all the profit. There is a great deal of personal motivation and incentives to succeed. Minimum legal restrictions are associated with this sole proprietorship. Owners can keep secrecy as regards the raw material used, methods of manufacture, etc. Also, sole proprietorship has various disadvantages, which includes the owner is liable for all obligation and debts of the business. The business may not be successful if owner has limited money, lacks ability and necessary experience to run business. Because of relative unstable nature of the business, it is difficult to raise capital for expanding the business. Also, if the business fails, creditors can take the personal property as well as business property of the owner to settle their claims, which means that sole proprietorship or single ownership involves unlimited liability for debts and the losses. There is a limited opportunity for employees as regards monetary rewards, which includes examples such as profit sharing, bonuses, etc., promotions. And generally, single ownership has limited life, that is, firm may cease to exist with the death of the proprietor. I hope all of you have understood about the sole proprietorship. Thank you.